This one is hot, that one like ice. This one is loud, that one is quiet. You can hear my diamond. Yeah, you can hear my diamond. Yeah, in a jewelry shop, in a jewelry shop, in a jewelry shop, in a jewelry shop. You can hear my. I got a lot to say to you. Yeah, I got a lot to say.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl No Fury, and I'm coming back to y'all with another video. So you guys, I'm coming back to y'all with a hair review as well as a get ready with me video. This getting ready with me is going to be featuring Ivy League extensions. I've reviewed their hair on my channel before. This is my second time wearing their hair. I will be reviewing the deep wave hair in lengths 14, 16, and 18 in a 12-inch closure that I am not wearing. I have leave out as of right now, as you can see. So yeah, I ordered this hair December 30th. I know I'm so long overdue. However, I've been wearing the hair that long, so I have a very thorough review on this hair. I'm going to make this as quick as possible. I paid $280 and I think 59 cents for the hair. And I did make that payment with Afterpay. If you're not familiar with Afterpay, Afterpay is a service that is used through certain vendors or websites, so you can make 4 easy payments on the purchase that you make. So for example, if it's $100, you pay $20 every 2 weeks until your $100 is paid up. You don't have to have a credit check, or do you have to put any money. You do have to put your first payment down, but after you put your first payment down, your product ships right out to you, and then the other payments just draft automatically. So I also got one free bundle sent to me as well from my last video. I did inform her that I did have some tangling and that I wasn't happy with cutting the hair. If you look back at my old video, I did have to cut the hair. So she sent me an extra bundle free of charge, and so her customer service is awesome. She always responds immediately. So let's get into this hair. This hair is beautiful. This is the deep wave. Now, I know most deep wave hair is more of an S-curl and it's tighter. This hair is more of a looser beach wave, and I have flat ironed this hair, so I don't know if that really made a difference. To me, it hasn't. When I did wash the hair the very first time, it did loosen up the curl. So, yeah, this is pretty much what I wanted the body wave to be, but it is a very cute beach wave. I have not put any heat to this hair at all. I just washed it actually, just so I could show y'all the real texture. I haven't put any heat to show you guys as of right now. I've put heat on the hair, but just not recently. You know what I'm saying? So, and I did end up cutting the hair a little bit. I did reverse layer the hair. When I sewed the hair and I put the 18 at the top, 16 and 14. I didn't want any long hair because I am in California right now and it is a little hot, so I did want my hair shorter. It comes right above me boobies, but yeah. So unlike the hair last time, I'm not having any issues with tangling at all, like at all. I am having a little bit of shedding, but that's due to my, but like I said, that is my fault due to me cutting the hair because I wanted it flat, you know, I wanted it flat all the way around, so I did have to cut some wefts. Other than that, you guys, this hair is freaking awesome. Like it is so freaking pretty. The ends are so full. They're not thin at all. The hair does come in like a medium natural brown color. And I haven't dyed it yet, so I can't really tell you guys about dyeing it. But as you know, if you're not familiar with my old videos, I am allergic to hair dye, so I can't dye this hair really. I can bleach it, but I can't like dye it red or anything. But yeah, this hair is awesome, you guys. I recommend it 100%. It has lasted me so long. The other hair that I did order from them, I ended up selling it to my sister, and she's still wearing it to this day. And that was about like what, 5 months ago. So yeah, you guys, get into Ivy League extensions. I'm definitely going to put all their information in the description box down below, and I'm also going to put their Instagram down below as well. So yeah, let's get into the video, you guys. So I'm going to start out by using my Colourpop brow pencil in the shade dark brown. I'm just going to comb through my brows that are very thin and sparse to me. and I'm just going to fill them in lightly with the pencil. First I'm going to do the outline, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill them in. If you want a more in detail brow tutorial, I do have one on my channel. It's a little bit videos down below. If you want, I will leave the link. I'm priming my lids with Tarte Shape tape. This is like my favorite concealer for priming my lids. It just gives a perfect base to me. It's in the shade medium, and I'm just blending that out. The palette of choice today will be the NYX, I believe the Lollipop palette is from the Sugar Trip Squad line. I believe this palette was like $11 from Ulta. I love this palette, super cheap and super pigmented. I'm just going to start by taking the orange shade in the NYX Sugar Trip palette, and I'm putting that in my lower, a little bit above my crease, but not all the way quite to the eyebrow bone. This is going to be like my first shade for the look. I really want the orange to pop through. That's why I'm laying this down first. So I'm blending out that orange shade with like a light coral color from the palette just to blow out the orange. I don't want to make the lines on the outer edge seem so harsh. Then after that, I'm going into the orange into my creases with like a deeper burnt orange that's in the palette. I'm just going, it's like a red orange kind of, and I'm just like deepening the crease up with that color. So I'm going in with my P. Louise base and 0.5, and I'm going to create a nice halo eye. So the way I do my halo eye, sometimes it's tricky. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, on this halo eye I actually fucked up. I fucked up and I put it up too high and above my crease, so you couldn't really even see the shades that I wanted you to see. I really wanted you to see that orange and red, but I kind of covered it up. Using my Smashbox Radiance Primer, I'm going to prime my face with this. Gives me a nice glow, minimizes pores. Then for foundation, I'm using the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. Y'all gotta stop sleeping on this foundation. This is like one of my favorite foundations. It makes me oily as hell sometimes, but the coverage is amazing. You really have to set it, especially if you like oily combination skin. But the finish is so pretty. I know it's like heavy or whatever, but I like full coverage makeup, but it's so pretty. Going in with my concealer in C13 from Makeup Revolution, I'm just going to conceal my face. I love this concealer. It's like one of my favorites. Definitely one of my top concealer favorites, definitely. I'm just going to conceal all the high points of my face. And then also I'm going to cream contour as well. Before I blend this in, I'm going to cream contour with the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation Stick in Truffle, and I'm just going to blend that out. What's the dealio? Ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling you. So I set my under eye with the PatrickStarrr MAC powder, and then to contour I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm just going in to contour with all those places that I cream contoured. I love the Patrick MAC powder. It gives you such a flawless finish, and it's really pretty. I really like it a lot. So I do lashes and eyeliner off camera just because I can never do it on camera. And then I'm going to go in with my red blush from Black Radiance. The name scraped off of the back. I'll have to put that in the description box down below. But yeah. To prep my face for highlight, I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer Spray and the Colourpop Lunch Money. You guys, I was so underwhelmed with this highlighter. Like, I take a chance on Colourpop every time, and they always some trash. Like, I've seen some people apply their highlighters with a sponge. Like, am I applying it wrong? Like, color flop shade. Colourpop is always like a flop for me. For my lips, I'm using NYX Copenhagen and Colourpop Creeper. Even the color Creeper was just like super liquidy. It was just a hot mess. Like, and that's an old shade that I bought a while ago. Their shades, their lipsticks, their liquid lipsticks really don't last a long time to me. But yeah. This is the final look, you guys. I really hope you guys liked the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave some more videos that you want me to do down below. Until next time, stay furious. Bye.